Hey everyone, welcome back to our series on creating a directory website using the Divi 5 theme and the GeoDirectory plugin. In today's video, we'll show you how to create the home page of your directory website step by step using Divi 5 and GeoDirectory. So let's get started. So first, what we need to do is that the page currently visible on the front end is set to a blog post page. So now we first come to the WordPress dashboard, then under pages, we add new page. Then we name it homepage because we are going to create a homepage and set it as the index. After this, we publish the homepage. Then we go to the WordPress dashboard again. After that, we hover over settings, then click on reading. After that, look guys, what is selected as latest posts, we need to click on static page for this. From here, we select which page we want to display as the home page. We select home page. Then we click on save changes to save the changes. After that, we go to the front end. Let's refresh the page once. Now look guys, our home page has loaded. The sidebar is visible. So for this, we will edit it with Divi 5. For that, we will click on edit with Divi. So now our Divi 5 theme editor for the home page has opened. Now let's save it once. After saving, we click on preview. Now look guys, the sidebar that was visible earlier is gone. So let's start the design. So guys, we will first add 3 sections to our home page in this part of the video. Okay, so the first section will be the hero section, which will contain a heading, a small description, and a search bar. The second section will be business categories, and the third section will be business districts. So let's get started. So we have already taken these sections. So how to take a section? I had already shown you that if you click on this plus icon, you will get many columns. So we have taken the sections. Inside the row that is created, we click on this plus icon dot and then we take a content. Inside this, we will put a heading. Let's search for the heading block. Then here we name the heading Welcome to our directory site. Okay, then we come to the design. Click on heading text. Let's keep it H1. We change the heading font from here, searching for pop-ins. And let's keep its font weight bold. We center the alignment and we will make the heading text white from here. Now this text is white. Okay, we made it white because we will now add a background image to the background of this main section. For that, click on this section, then come to the front end, come to the background. After that, click on image and choose the image from here. Then we come to the design of this section now. After that, we come to spacing. In padding, we will link 120 pixels each from top and bottom, so it will be applied to both sides. Okay, then what we will do now is make the size of this heading a bit bigger. For that, as soon as we click on the heading, we will come to the design. Then by clicking on heading text, we will make its size 120 pixels from here. Okay, you can select any pixel here. So I will keep it in pixels. Now we will add a small description below the heading. For that, click on the plus icon. Here in the search, type text block. So the text will appear. For now, we will keep the dummy text that is already provided. We will center align it. Come to design. Then we click on text and select its color. Let's keep everything else as default. And after that, we can make its size a bit bigger. So this is 14 pixels by default. We will make it 18 pixels. Okay, then we save it. Then we will now add a search bar. For that, we will take a new row. For that, click on the plus icon. Click on full container. Here, inside the code block, we will put the shortcode for GD search. So click on this code box on the right, then click on the shortcode box. Click on the icon. Then here we need to open the shortcode section. Then click on the GD search shortcode. Now we will get many options here. We will set them up and copy the shortcode. So let's set the margin to 0 from here. We set the border to none from here. And copy the shortcode. Then we paste it here. Okay, now our GeoDirectory search bar has appeared. Now we come to its row, then we come to design. First, we come to the background and set its color to white, then we come to design. After that, we come to spacing, then in padding, we will give 15 pixels from top and bottom, and we'll also give 15 pixels from the right and left. After that, we will give a border radius. Let's click on the border a bit, and we'll give a 12 pixel border radius. Okay, so if we unlink this link, it will only apply to one side. If we link it, it will apply to all sides. So we'll save it now. Now we go to our front end. We'll come to the page, come to the home page, and refresh the page. Look, our hero section has appeared now. Next, we are going to create the businesses category section. So we have come back to the home page editor. We will add businesses categories in the second section. So click on this plus icon and take a column. In this column, we will first put a heading block in which we will write businesses categories. Okay, then what do? We come to design, we come to heading text, we'll make it an H2 block, we'll change the font family of the heading, then we'll center the alignment and set the text size to 36. What will we do below that? Now let's take a code block, okay? Heading block, click on these three dots and add element. Click on add element below, and then we need to take a code block again. Come to the code box, click on it, and click on the shortcode icon. Then open it and take the GD listing shortcode. Sorry, we need to take the GD categories shortcode. GD categories. Then we come to the filter here. In post type, we can select here, places, okay? We want to show all categories. In sorting, we can show by count, alphabetically. In card design, we'll keep the left icon at the top, or we can do it in the image background. Yeah, so now we'll show the icon at the top and 4 in a row. And we'll leave this icon image as it is. We are using an icon for image size, so we'll make the icon a bit larger from small, as done. Now we'll set all these settings, make the margin 0, and set the border to none, border color. Then we'll copy this short code. Then we'll come to this code box and paste it. So this short category will appear here. Okay, now we'll save it. After that, we'll come to the front end and refresh the page to see. Boom, guys, look, our businesses categories section is visible. Categories. Okay, now we will add business listings in the third section. So we will add the business listing in the next third column. So again, we click on the plus icon and take a column inside the new section. Then we put the heading in this column again. Then here we will write business listing. And then we'll make its style the same. We come to style, come to heading text, and make it H2. Then we'll again make the heading font. Then we'll center the alignment and set the heading size to 36. Click on layout, click on the 3 dots of this heading block, and add element. Add element below. Click inside the code block and click on the shortcode icon. Open the shortcode, and here we need to take the GD listing shortcode dot, and now by clicking on this filter, we can select the post type. By selecting the post type, we want to show posts from all categories. That too, 6. We will show 6 posts. In sorting, we'll keep it alphabetical, and in design, we'll keep 3 columns. In card design, we'll keep the item as the default item here. Okay, we'll also talk about archive items in this series, okay, in another video. So we can do all these in the settings. After that, we can also slide it in the carousel. So we'll keep it as default for now. And we'll show advanced. So we'll get many more options for it, like show view all link has appeared. We'll show pagination view all. Okay, now there are many other options in it, which are for showing featured listings and for showing location listings. So now we'll update all these and copy the shortcode. Then we'll paste it in the code box. Okay, so we'll save it first. Then what we do is we'll give a background color to this main category businesses listing section so that it looks a bit better, and we can divide it. Okay, we'll make it a bit orange type like this. Then we'll save it. And we come to the front end, we'll refresh the page and see, look guys, now this businesses listing section looks something like this. Okay, so we'll make the background color a bit deeper so that it's more eye-catching. We'll save it. We come to the front end, we'll refresh the page. Boom, guys, look, we've also added the listing. And so now in this series, our homepage looks like this. Okay, the hero section is done. We've added the category section. We've added the business listing. So in the next video part of the series, we will show 3 more sections of the homepage. We also provide directory website development services. If you need a customized solution for your directory website, we're here to help. You can hire us at buddydevelopers.com. You can also follow us on our other social media channels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.